Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to block someone on Instagram without them knowing. So let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And in here, you will find this option. Now just head over to any people's account. So suppose I'm going to this one. So what you need to do to block them is tap on the three dots on the top right. And here you will find the option of block. Tap on block. And this says this will also block any other account they may have or create in future. They won't be able to message you or find your profile or content on Instagram. They won't be notified that you blocked them. You can unblock them at any time from settings. So just tap on block, or you can also tap on block and report. This will also send a report to Instagram directly, and they might just take a look at their account if they are doing any of the illegal activities. So yeah, once you're okay with it, just tap on block and it won't notify them. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.